Cheerful welcome students. As I told in the previous video, today we are going to learn a new topic. Yes, that is action words. Have you heard the word action words? Okay, what is action? What is mean by action? Okay, I will explain you. The process or thing that we are doing are called actions. Action words means a word that shows action what we are doing. That is called action words. Today we are going to learn about action words. This will be very interesting and this will give you a new knowledge in English. Okay, we will begin it, students. Action word. A word that shows action. That is called action word. A word that shows action is called action word. Action words are also called as verbs. Action words are also called as verbs. Okay, I will explain you clearly. Now I am teaching you. Teaching is an action. You are watching this video. Watching is an action. Next, after watching this video, you will complete your book activity. So, writing is an action. Then, after completing your book activity, you will go for playing. Yes? Playing is an action. That is action word. After playing, you will eat your food. That is also an action. That is eating also an action. That is action word. Like that, the things that we are doing is called as action. Action words. Okay, we will see some examples that is given in the picture. See, a boy is standing there and he is blowing. Here, blowing is an action. And here, girl is sleeping on the bed. Sleeping is an action. And he is skating. Skating is an action. Like that, the things, the actions that we are doing is called as action words. We will see some more examples. Before that, we will learn the meaning for the action words also. Action words that tell what we are doing. Yes, action words that tell or show what we are doing. That is called action words. And it is also known as verbs. We will see some example action words. Through this, you can get clear explanation. Okay. In this picture, we can see many images. Yes. We will see and know it one by one about action words. A girl is praying. Here, pray is an action word. A boy is standing in front of the mic and singing. Here, sing is an action word. In third picture, a boy is running. Run is an action word. A girl is sitting and crying. Cry is an action word. And in fourth picture, we can able to see a girl is eating. Eating is an action word. Then a boy is walking. Walking is an action word. Jump. Jump is an action word. Read. Read is an action word. Write. Swim. Sleeping. Dancing. Playing. These words are called action words. Okay, we will see some more action words for our better understanding. Slide. Stand up. Sit down. Swing. Tie. Roll. Slide. Stand up. Sit down. Swing. Tie. And roll. Okay. Give. Walk. Look. Catch. Fly. Feed. Lift. Dig. Play. Make. Talk. Ride. I will read these action words one more time. Give. Walk. Look. Catch. Fly. Feed. Lift. Dig. Play. Make. Talk. And ride. Okay, students. Next, we will see some examples from the story Hot Samosa also. In the story Hot Samosa, Ammu and Appa was doing many actions. Yes, that also we will see and learn. We can see Ammu is in this picture. Yes, what Ammu is doing here? Yes, Ammu is thinking. I will read the sentence. Listen to it. Ammu is thinking. Ammu is thinking. Here, thinking is an action word that I gave in green color. Thinking is an action word. Next, Appa is cutting vegetables. Appa is cutting vegetables. Here, cutting is an action. So, cutting is an action word, that is verb. Next, Ammu is peeling boiled potatoes. Ammu is peeling boiled potatoes. In this sentence, which is action word? Yes, peeling is an action word that I gave in red color. Peeling is an action, so it is called as action words. Okay. Appa is making samosas. Appa is making samosas. In this sentence, which is an action word? Yes, making is an action word that I gave in red color. Making means preparing or cooking samosas. Okay students, I hope you understood about the action words and you can learn it quickly by watching this video repeatedly. Next, we are going to do book activity for action words, that is in Little Thinker. We are going to do the book activity 4.3. First, I will read the heading. Listen to it carefully. Read each action word in the box below. What body part will you use to do the action? Write the word under the respective column. Whenever we read, we need to read at least 2 times. Then only we can get clear knowledge about the heading. So, I am going to read it one more time. Read each action word in the box below. What body part will you use to do the action? Write the word under the respective column. Can you able to know, students, what is given in the heading? Yes. Action words are, I will explain you. Listen it. Action words are given in yellow box and body parts are given in the respective column. We need to find the action word and write in the respective column. Okay, we will see the answers now. Before that, we will learn the meaning for the action words that is given in the yellow box, so that we can write the answers easily in the respective column. Jump. Jump means, yes, jumping. What body part we will use to jump? Yes, legs. And skip. Skip means skipping. We use our legs to skip. Then hold. Hold means carry something. Whether we can carry anything by our legs or eyes. No, we can carry the things only by using our hands. Then squeeze. Squeeze means crush or press something. We can crush and press the thing only by using our hand. Okay, then hop. Hop means jump. Then smell. We can smell only through nose. Then breathe. We can breathe only through our nose. Then grab. Grab means take. We cannot take with our eyes, but we can take with our hands. So this should come under hands. Then sniff. I hope you know the meaning for the word, meaning for the action word sniff. What is the meaning? Yes, sniff means smell. Then snore. Snore means making a big sound while sleeping. Then scream. Scream means shout. Yawn. Yawn means opening the mouth and releasing the air. That is yawning. Then blink. Blink means quickly opening and closing our eyes. Then see. See means look. And wink. Wink also the same, look. Okay, next we'll see the body parts that is given here. Hands, legs, eyes, nose and mouth. We will see it one more time. Hands, legs, eyes, nose and mouth. Okay, next we will start to write the answers. See the yellow box. We are going to choose the action and write in the respective column. Jump. Whether we can jump using our eyes? No, we can jump only using our legs. So we can write here. Then skip. Skip also comes under legs. Then hold. Hold means, as I told already, carry. We can carry only by using our hands, so it should come under hands. Then squeeze. Squeeze means crushing or pressing. We can crush something only using our hands, so we can write here. Then hop. Hop means jump. That also we can write under legs column. Then smell. We can smell only through our nose. So we can write smell under the nose column. Then breathe. Breathe also comes under nose column. Then grab. Grab means take. We can take only by using our hand. So we can write grab under the hands column. Then sniff. Sniff means smell. Yes, where it should come? Yes, good children. It should come under nose column. Then snore. Snore means, as I told before, making a big sound or grunting sound through our mouth. So it can be written under the mouth column. Then scream. Scream means shouting. We can shout only by using our mouth. So it can be written here. Then yawn. Yawn also comes under mouth column. Then only 3 action words remaining. That also we will complete now. Blink. Yes, blink means opening and closing our eyes quickly. We can blink only by using our eyes. So blink can come under eyes column. Then see. See means look. Then wink. Wink also comes under eyes column. Okay students, with that we have completed the activity 4.3 also in Little Thinker. I hope you will also complete this activity in your Little Thinker. We will read the body parts and action words one more time for our better understanding. Hands. Hold, grab, squeeze. Hands. Hold, grab, squeeze. Legs. Jump, hop, skip. Jump, hop, skip. Eyes. See, blink, wink. Eyes. See, blink, wink. Nose. smell, sniff, breathe. Smell, sniff, breathe. Mouth, snore, scream, yawn. Snore, scream, yawn. We will read it one more time. Hands, hold, grab, squeeze. Legs, jump, hop, skip. Eyes, see, blink, wink. Nose, smell, sniff, breathe. Mouth, snore, scream, yawn. Okay students, I hope you all enjoyed today's session and we will meet in the next video. Thank you students.